Well, here we have a 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, freshly restored, less than 20 miles of just shakedown miles. Make sure everything's okay, all systems are functioning as needed. Wonderful bike, mechanically stock, with the exception of the 850 big bore kit. So if any of your friends have the Eldorados, you'll be able to keep up with them real well with the big bore kit. Many new parts, many hours of detailing, massaging, fitting, checking. Great bike, but the time has come to part with it. Too many other projects, and you know the old story. When you got the time, you don't have the money, and when you don't have the money, you got the time. So time to move on. A lot of people wanted to see what it sounded like. We'll do a cold start up here. There's my hand on the exit pipe. Cold. Let's get rid of the fingerprints before we get a little heat into it. Alright, let's have a listen. It's got a set of Dunstall replica pipes. I like the exhaust note. Obviously they're brand new. Let's see what she sounds like. Give her a little fuel. Beautiful. Starts right up. Idles. Give her a little exhaust, throttle here. There you go, folks. Beautiful bike. Does everything it's supposed to. Thanks for having a look.